Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you I built out a TikTok video and Reels downloader web application directly in the browser using the TikTok GraphQL API. So we are running this project locally and the interface is quite simple. Right here, you will paste your TikTok video or Reel URL. So let me paste a URL that I pasted. So I simply copy the link address and simply plug this inside this application. So as soon as you paste the link, click on this download button, then it will make a API call to the GraphQL TikTok API, and then this video will display right here itself, as you can see. Then you can click the download button and save this video inside your machine. So you can play this video. Here you can see the video is playable, and you can even extract the audio as well. So it's the ready-made project that I've developed in Next.js. If you need the source code, please go to the description link and directly purchase the full source code. So after purchasing it, you will actually see this directory structure. It's actually coded directly inside TypeScript. Each and every component is divided into its appropriate TypeScript file here. It's a video and Reels downloader. So you plug the URL of whatever video file or reel that you are downloading. So right here you simply paste, just you need the video URL. You simply paste it and then it will actually make the API call in the background. So this is actually a free unlimited solution. So it's a single page application. All the processing is directly happening in the browser. It's actually communicating with the TikTok GraphQL API inside the Next.js application. So if I show you the actual modules that we are using, so we are using the Cheerio module. We are using the Axios module. We are using the Next.js, which is the latest version, 16 React. So it's a fully fledged project. We are also using Fluent FFmpeg as well. So I'm just running this project locally to actually show you the actual demo. It's very simple to run this locally, and also you can deploy this to a real domain name as well. So it's a fully fledged TikTok downloader for videos and reels. So all the components are divided into the TypeScript files here. And it's really simple. Once you get the source code, you will be able to see how I coded this application from scratch, and you will be able to actually add additional features. If you want to actually change something, you can even easily do if you have the code. So I've given the link, you can directly purchase it, and you can just see here. It's a web application which directly runs in as a single page Next.js application. So right here you can actually take any video, for example, and simply repeat this process. You paste the link and just click download, and the video download process happens directly in the browser. So it basically fetches the link of the video and displays the video right here in a video player. And it supports reels, it supports videos. You just need a URL and then you click on that, and it will also have the option to extract the audio as well. So the video is playable. So as you can see that, so it's very simple. Once you get the source code, you will be able to see the source code, change anything. So it's really simple to run this locally and also deploy this as a domain name to a real domain name as well. So this is the overall project, the source code files. So the link is given, and definitely check this out.